If there's one type of roofing material I would never, ever put on my own house, it's metal shingles. I've been in the roofing industry since 2011, and I've seen several of these roofs that have developed the same types of problems over and over. In fact, we're getting ready to replace one with asphalt shingles because the metal shingles have failed in several different ways. The first reason I would never put metal shingles on my own roof is just simply the cost. This product is way more expensive than like your typical asphalt shingle. But it's not just the materials that are more expensive, the labor to install them costs more as well. For example, an average asphalt shingle roof would cost about $15,000 right now. To put a metal shingle on that same roof would cost anywhere from between 2 to 2.5, maybe even 3 times as much. That means that it might cost $40,000 to $45,000 to put a metal shingle on a house that would cost $15,000 for an asphalt shingle. And if I'm going to spend that kind of money, I'm going to expect that it's going to be dramatically better, meaning the roof is going to be dramatically better than a cheaper roof would be. From my experience, it just isn't. Metal shingles simply don't deliver enough additional value to justify the extra cost, in my opinion. And for all that extra money that you're spending, you would expect them to be bulletproof, wouldn't you? But they're surprisingly easy to damage. Most homeowners assume that a metal roof is going to be tougher than an asphalt shingle roof. But with metal shingles, you actually have to be really careful how you walk on them, because if you step on them in the wrong place, you can end up denting them. Your roofer may know how to walk on your metal shingles, but I can guarantee you that your painter, your window installer, your Christmas light guy don't know how to walk correctly on a metal shingle, and they're going to end up, I guarantee, denting up your $50,000 roof. Let's say you're thinking, well, nobody's ever going to get on my roof. Okay, fair enough. But what happens when that next major hailstorm comes through and hits your house? I'll tell you what happens. We actually did a roof several years ago. The house was surrounded by houses that had metal shingles. 2 years later, another massive hailstorm hit that neighborhood, and our customer called us to ask us to come back and inspect his asphalt shingle roof. And guess what? All of the metal shingle roofs in the neighborhood were all being replaced. Our customer that had the Class 4 impact resistant asphalt shingle roof, 2 hail hits on the entire roof. You can actually watch a video about that if you click on that link right up there. There's another problem that I've seen a lot on metal shingles, and it's the main reason that we're replacing that metal shingle roof right now. And it's a stone-coated steel metal shingle, and the granules wear off. Sometimes that happens really quickly, like it did for our customer. His roof's only 10 years old, and already there are multiple bare spots on his roof. And when those granules wear off, you're left with an exposed section of just shiny, bright metal underneath. Sometimes there may be several of those bare spots, and sometimes those exposed areas might be rather large, and that makes your roof look awful. And honestly, that's not what you spent $40,000 to $50,000 for. But here's something that my customer with the metal shingle roof told me that kind of surprised me. He said that once they got their new metal roof, their cell reception inside their house just died. Now they have to use their Wi-Fi to make cell phone calls, and they never used to have to do that. When they have people over at their house who don't have access to their Wi-Fi, they can't make or receive any phone calls from within inside the house. Now, I'm not saying that that's going to happen with every metal roof, but that's definitely what this homeowner has experienced, and I've heard rumors about that for quite a while. Then just a few weeks ago, I was talking to the owner of a metal roofing manufacturing company, and he told me that this is a known issue with metal roofing. After all the experience I've had with metal shingles, I would still put an asphalt shingle on my roof every time. If you're thinking about putting metal shingles on your house, you should really watch the interview that I did with the owner of the company that makes them. You can click that video right there. And if you want to just geek out on a bunch of fascinating videos about roofing, watch that playlist down there.